I can be going now.
Yeah. Thank you. So you know now, normal. We go just, I know say today night. Nah, bros, this Nigeria, we don't die finish. Hungry now, na him be the problem. We dey buy a liter now, 1,050 naira. Sote with the queue. See my motor here. Sote with the queue, no passenger, no everything. No be person where they pay salary. No be person where they pay salary. Well, you understand? Where they pay you salary, you go come enter motor, we go carry you go somewhere. You understand, bros? Now wait till I have to tell this country to be that.
But people they come out to protest. You see,
I see people will come protest where them pursue them, you understand? Now this country, we don't know how we go do them, bros. May government help us. Now tear gas, where they even pursue us far up where with the load itself. You understand?
Okay.
Now so it be, bros.
So now what do you want make government do?
Now may government help us. If you fuel come down, we're not going to suffer now. Now so it be. If fuel come down now, if you go buy food now, a plate of food now 1,500. If they manage without me, they go give you 1,000. It's not supposed to be like that. Nah, but
Hello?
You are there.
Already?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with your name.
My name na Rock Yusuf. I'm a member of Take It Back movement. This morning we came out for protest and we were supposed to meet at Utako. That was where we met actually. That is our convergence place before we now take to the streets. So while we were there, some DSS they came, they make videos of us. Then few minutes later, policemen they now came with 2 vehicles. They were following us while we already took to the street. That is from this God is Good Park. So we're advancing towards Berger. So before we got to that Utako traffic light, we saw a lot of policemen. So we stopped. So we didn't block road, nothing. So we were where we were. They now said we should go back. That protest is not allowed, we should go back. So we didn't listen to them. We were doing our chanting and singing. Then the next thing, they started shooting at us, throwing tear gas. So that was how they were able to despise us. Most of us, we ran away. So you can see I'm here at the Banex, all the way from Utako. But then what they did is, we are not still going to back down. We are coming out tomorrow, and we are still coming out in mass tomorrow. And for those people who don't want to come out for protests, saying we'll die, police will shoot, we'll do this, we'll do that, at the end of the day, either you like if you come out for protest or not, this thing is still affecting you. People are dying every day on a daily basis. Let's even talk about this violence that police are bringing to us in this protest. If police like, the number of people that police are going to kill, that is if they are going to kill people, the number of people that police are going to kill cannot be compared to the number of people that are dying every day because of this government policy, because of hardship. People are dying every day. Me personally, I have a generator. I don't know how long I put on my generator in my house. And there is no light. There is no food. nobody can even eat like
Yeah, and
2 square meals sef if you fit see food to eat 2 times in a day make you thank God for your life. So na the situation wey we dey inside be this government, the policy e must change. Our demand is clear. Una be press people, una know some of our demands. Until those demands are met, we will continue to be on the street. If they like, make them kill us. People are dying every day. They are killing us already.
I would like you to remind us those demands.
One of the demand of which one of the major demand is reversal of this fuel subsidy. So what's this? Let's even just focus on this reversal of fuel subsidy. If this fuel can be brought back to how it was before Tinubu came back, you see all this wahala no go dey again. These are one of the things. Then another thing is the change of constitution. People dey talk say how constitution cannot be changed, this and that. The root of this problem is constitution. The root of Nigerians problem na constitution. When we have a strong constitution, some of those yamayama things wey dey happen for this country, e no go happen. So until that constitution is changed, there's not going to be any meaningful change in Nigeria. Look at how EFCC and all of that, they protect Yaya Bello. Before you know, they don't go arrest small pickpockets. They call them pickpocket. Now pickpocket, now EFCC they arrest.